In this video, we will explore the Add Measures feature and the Insert Measures tool. The Add Measures feature is available at all levels, and it helps you add and delete measures at the end of your composition. Simply click the plus button to add a measure to the end of your composition, and select the minus button to delete the last measure of your composition. In Level 2 of Song Builder, the Insert Measures tool becomes available. This tool helps you easily insert and delete measures from the middle of your compositions. To add a measure, click on the Insert Delete Measures tool in the right-hand Tools menu. Then, on the note grid, click the yellow plus circle where you would like to add a measure. To delete a measure, make sure the Insert Delete Measures tool is turned on. Then, click on the red minus circle over the measure you would like to delete. When you're done adding and deleting measures, make sure to click the Insert Delete Measures tool again to turn it off. An important note: deleting measures cannot be undone. Double check that you are about to delete the correct measure.